In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Shopify to Wix. This process is essential for those who are looking to switch their online presence or consolidate their web services onto one platform. I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, we need to prepare your domain for transfer from Shopify. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look for the Settings option and click on it. You'll then see a menu where you should select Domains. This is where all your domain management occurs. Now you should see a list of your domains. Click on the name of the domain you wish to transfer. As you scroll down the domain's information page, you'll come across a section labeled Transfer Domain. Here, you need to click on the option to transfer your domain to another provider. Before you proceed, make sure to review all the information provided and confirm that everything is accurate. Click Confirm to move forward. Once that's done, an important piece of information, your authorization code, also known as an EPP code, will be displayed. Be sure to copy this code as you'll need it in the next phase. Now, it's time to initiate the transfer in Wix. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the Domain section. Once there, look for the Add Existing Domain option and select Transfer Your Domain to Wix. Wix will guide you through the prompts to begin the transfer. When prompted, enter the domain name you wish to transfer over from Shopify. Remember the authorization code we copied earlier? This is when you'll need to paste it. Input the code when prompted to genuinely kickstart the transfer process. Finally, let's talk about completing the transfer. This part requires a bit of patience. You'll need to check your email for confirmation messages from both Shopify and Wix. These emails are crucial, as they often contain the instructions you need to approve the transfer request. Be sure to follow any instructions provided in those messages to ensure a smooth transition. It's important to note that this process isn't instantaneous. The transfer can take up to 24 hours, or in some cases, several days. I recommend keeping a close eye on your email inbox for updates. Once Wix has completed the transfer, they'll send you a final confirmation email. And there you have it. Transferring your domain from Shopify to Wix is a straightforward process, as long as each step is carefully followed. Remember, keeping an eye on your email is key to finalizing the transfer without any hitches. I hope this guide helped make your transition easy and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new setup on Wix.